In this video, I will show you how to download any video from any website for completely free using Chrome browser. So let's get started. So in order to download any video from any website, we are going to use Chrome extension. So to install the extension in the Chrome browser, first open Chrome browser on your PC. Now in the Google search, just search for Chrome Web Store and click on the first link, Chrome Web Store. You can even type chromewebstore.google.com to access this website. Now in the search bar at the top, type Video Downloader Professional. So this is the extension that we are going to install in Chrome browser. Click on the link. So as you can see, it has 4.5 star and 219K ratings. Now to install this extension to Chrome browser, click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. So this will download and install the extension in Chrome browser. Now click on this plugins icon and then pin Video Downloader Professional extension. This is for easy accessibility. Now this is the plugin that we just installed. Now go to the website from which you wish to download the video. I am using Pexels website, and Pexel website has thousands of videos that you can use for free for commercial purpose. You don't have to pay anything to download and use videos from Pexels website. Now when you open the website, just click on this extension icon and here you will find the list of videos and there will be a download button from which you can download the videos. So let's click on one of the button. Now it will ask you where to download the videos. Just select the location and click on save. And now video is downloaded to PC. If I click this video, as you can see, this is the video that we just download to PC. Similarly, you can use any of the button to download other videos. So that is how you can download any videos from any website for completely free using Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.